Hey guys, it's Ron here with another Alt Blocks unboxing. Okay, just an unboxing today, but an exciting unboxing. This set just arrived by FedEx to me a couple days ago. Finally had a chance to sit down and take a look at it. Now this is the new CADA nearly 4,000 piece Humvee. Look at that. Look at that. Massive, massive, massive box. Heavy. So heavy. That is intense. This is going to be an incredible build. I already know it. We're going to unbox it here today. Now before we do, I want to point out to you, this is the non-motorized version. There are some new Pro motors that CADA has that can be added to it. This says it is power system compatible. Okay, the motors are not included in this one. If you want the motors, generally that's going to be, now we've got a set number here. This one is C61036. Generally the motorized version is going to have a letter A after that, I believe. Okay, so if you're trying to buy it and you want the motorized version, that's what you want. This is the unmotorized version. I'm kind of excited to build an unmotorized one. The last couple cars I've done have been motorized, and that's a neat experience. I find that there's an entirely different build process when you're trying to fit motors in versus when you're trying to put in the mechanics that are not motorized. So it's gonna be pretty cool, I think, to do this one. Also, there's some question, do the motors carry the full weight of the vehicle very well, or does it go, who knows? So that's a different story, that's a different question altogether. Today, we're going to unbox C61036, the CADA Humvee. Now, we'll take a look at the side here. I want to show you something on the side. You've got the official Humvee logo right there, and it says that this is an officially, you can see it right there, this is an officially licensed Humvee product. Now guys, in the brick world, in the alt brick world, alt block world in particular, this is a big deal. The last couple years or so, ever since the shutdown, the massive raid and shutdown of the Leppen factory, we've seen a lot more legitimate alt brick, alt block sets coming around. So CADA have always been a leader in original designs, and this is another original one, and this is another licensed one. So CADA has gone really to the top of my list. They're at the top of my list for alt block brands. The quality is great, the designs are great. I'm really excited to build this one. I'm really looking forward to it. So we're going to unbox it now. We're going to open it up. I'm not going to start building it on this video, but we're going to unbox it. I've ripped the tape on the sides to make it easy on the video to do this, but the insides are going to be a surprise to both of us. Let's pop this top off of here. It's a heavy box. Okay, here we go. I wanted to do it this way because I suspect inside we're going to have a really cool design. A lot of the cars have a really cool design inside the box. Yes, it does, in fact. Look at that. It's just a really neat, classy design with the silver line drawing and the black box. That is really cool looking. That's really neat looking. Okay, and then on the inside, it's a little bit harder to show you, but on the inside of the lid also, there's some drawings. And we kind of saw that originally with the Leppen copy of the Lego Bugatti when they had these drawings inside the box. That kind of has continued into being a trademark of these large, very technical motorized vehicle sets to put those technical looking drawings inside. It's really cool looking, right? Well, let's take a look at the boxes. Okay, we've got, let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. The manuals are almost surely going to be underneath this middle box. The bud. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we are. Oh yeah, there we go. There's five manuals. 5 manuals for this nearly 4,000 piece set. A small set of decals, which includes an actual Humvee logo and name decal right there. And then on the bag, on the back of the manual, inside the bag, it's a little hard to see, but there it is. There's the actual Humvee logo and the licensing information again. It's really neat that these manufacturers are working with the block manufacturers now, and I think that portends well for the future of alt blocks. I think we're going to see a lot more cool stuff. I'm already overwhelmed by how much cool stuff is out there. Nobody needs to buy straight up copies of the Danish manufacturers' sets anymore. There's just so much cool stuff out there now, and a lot of it caters to needs that just aren't being met by the Lego group. Way more technical builds, people who like military builds, that stuff just won't be found with Lego, but other brands are quite happy to do that. All right, so without any further ado or any further ado, let's start opening these boxes and let's see what a pile of 4,000 bricks looks like. Here it is, 3,935 pieces destined to become an officially licensed Humvee from CADA. Everything from the tiny little friction pins to the massive tires. 5 very sizable instruction books, just a few decals to put on, including an officially licensed Humvee logo. This is going to be an awesome build. I'm really looking forward to making it and to sharing with you my full review here. It's going to take me a little bit of time to put that together though. This is Ronald with Alt Blocks. I'll see you soon. Take care.